We have Spring Set.
First of all, one thing I gotta say is this song really means a lot to me, my family that's here right now, making me feel like that person. So the song I'm gonna sing is Hero by Mariah Carey. There's a hero if you look inside your heart. You don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away.
said in life, in the past week, you said you had a difficult time at one point of your life. You know, your family should be very proud of you. And most of all, you should be proud of yourself, because forget the past and forget the bad times. And it's like the song says, there is a hero lies in you. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, first off, it goes without saying, but I'm going to say it anyways, you look absolutely gorgeous. What I love about you, Spring, is that when you sing for us, you really get into the song, and your passion really comes through for the song, making you more believable and that much more enjoyable. So thank you very much.